Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking an in-depth look at the NIMO AI-ready light gaming laptop, a powerful mobile machine designed to bridge the gap between heavy daily productivity, AI tasks, and casual gaming on the go. If you are looking for a versatile notebook that delivers responsive hardware without the bulk of a traditional gaming rig, this laptop offers a compelling set of features. Under the hood, this NIMO laptop is driven by the AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS processor, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads with clock speeds boosting up to 4.9 GHz. Built-in processor capabilities handle local AI processing and multi-threaded applications smoothly. Paired with 32GB of high-speed DDR5 memory and a 1TB PCIe solid-state drive, it provides instant application responsiveness, ultra-fast boot times, and plenty of local storage for large project files and media libraries. For graphics performance, the system relies on integrated AMD Radeon 780M graphics. This integrated GPU handles photo and video editing, multi-monitor display output, and modern light gaming smoothly. Popular esports titles and casual games run fluidly, making it a reliable option for work by day and entertainment by night. In terms of design, the laptop features a durable chassis with a sleek aesthetic suitable for office environments, modern classrooms, or home setups. The display offers crisp full high-definition resolution for clear text and vibrant visuals. Input features include a comfortable backlit keyboard for low-light typing and a touchpad with an integrated fingerprint reader for quick, secure biometric login. Portability and power management are major highlights. The laptop includes 100-watt USB-C power delivery fast charging, allowing you to top up the battery rapidly using a compact adapter. High-speed USB 4 connectivity enables fast data transfers, external monitor pairing, and seamless peripheral connections. While integrated Radeon 780M graphics excel at everyday tasks and light gaming, users aiming to play demanding AAA titles at maximum graphical settings may still prefer a heavier laptop with dedicated discrete graphics. However, for professionals, students, and creators who prioritize battery efficiency, high memory capacity, and slim portability, the NIMO Ryzen 7 laptop provides a fantastic overall package. If you found this overview helpful, please click the like button, subscribe to stay updated with our latest tech reviews, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts. Thanks for watching.